easy marinade. Beautiful chicken marinades for your grill, guys. One we are making Japanese teriyaki chicken. One we are making American herb and garlic, all quick marinade. One we are making chili chicken, Indian. It's gonna take 30 minutes for the marinade and it's gonna take 30 minutes to cook the recipe, guys. Chicken is the most favorite dish. I took whole chicken, I cut it from the middle, so we have a whole half chicken right here. So first thing first, guys, we will make some deep cuts onto the breast, on the leg part, just 2 cuts on the thigh and 2 cuts on the leg. We'll take a Ziploc bag. This is our teriyaki, the Japanese. It has everything in here. Half of the bottle. So this is 326 ml. We will use at least 100 to 150 ml. Ziploc it. Our half chicken is completely dipped in our teriyaki. Quick marinade. Japanese marinade is done. Let's work towards the American recipe. 2 slices on the breast, deeper one. 2 on the thigh, 2 on the leg. Ziploc bag, whole half chicken goes in here. Yummy. This is our American herb and garlic right here. You can get these from Lidl. Again, 100 to 150 ml of the marinade goes in here. That's what it is. Give it a mix. Wonderful. Make sure it's all into the deep cuts. All right, our American herb and garlic quick marinade is right here, guys. Wonderfully. This will be our Indian chili chicken. Very easy process. 2 slices on the breast, 2 slices on the thigh, and 2 slices on the leg. This is what you will see. It's gonna be a dry rub. The chicken, half chicken goes in the Ziploc bag. Perfect. This is our chili chicken masala. So it goes in here. So easy. 4 tablespoons goes in your Ziploc bag. Ginger and garlic paste. We will add, for the half of the chicken, we will add at least 3 tablespoons. Right here. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll put my hand inside of the Ziploc bag and I'll just rub the chicken inside. If you have a bowl, you can do this in a bowl as well. It smells so good, man. This is what you're gonna get. Wow. All right, so again, it goes in your Ziploc bag. And you know, guys, what we will do? I'll close this. So we have 3 beautiful marinations right here, right now. This is teriyaki, Japanese. This is American herb and garlic, and this is chili chicken marinade. Let it rest for 30 minutes. In the 30 minutes time, if you have a charcoal grill, you should light the grill and let the coals to get prepared for you for 30 minutes. It's been exactly 30 minutes of our 3 beautiful marinations right here, guys. This is the perfect time now. This is our Japanese, this is our American, and this is our Indian. They are all quick, easy marinade. This is fast and this is flavorful. Let's go, guys. It goes right here. This is the breast down part right now. You have to make sure the breast is downwards. So here you go. You open this. It's chili chicken. Breast down, leg down. Herb and garlic. Yum, yum, yum. Breast down and the leg down. Yes, sir. Look at the colors. Right now what we have to do, we have to cover this grill. This is charcoal grill, so we are making sure we get beautiful smoke in our chicken. Let it cook. You guys see the smoke from the vent? Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will add some zucchini, some onions. They will go cook together all the way. This is exactly 10 minutes after we covered our 3 beautiful marinations in our charcoal grill, guys. All right, this is the chili chicken. I will give a flip. Yes, sir. Look at this, man. This is our Japanese teriyaki. Wow. This is our American garlic and herb. Yummy, man. I'm putting some zucchini, red onion. Cover this with the lid on top. Let's cook this for 15 more minutes, exactly 15 minutes. Altogether, it's been 10 minutes initially and 15 minutes afterwards. This is what it is, guys. The Japanese, the American, and the Indian. If you have a gas grill, bro, put the gas grill onto simmer now. Okay, it break itself apart. So this is our Indian chili chicken. It has been steamed, it had been smoked. This is our American. Let's go, bro. OMG, look at this char. So this is the Japanese with all the meat. Look at this char, guys. Yummy. Our veggies, these are our onions. They are super soft. This is our zucchini. OMG, this is so watery and soft and smoked out. Alright guys, 5 more minutes. Put the lid on top. Let the front, the breast, the meat part get the final flavor. All the hard work is done. This has been 30 minutes on the charcoal grill. If you have a gas grill, just follow the same recipe. Put your flames onto medium and last 5 minutes put it onto simmer or just close down the grill. This is what it is when you make easy, quick, flavorful recipe of the chicken marinade. Right guys, here you go. This is what you're gonna get. Perfectly charred, cooked. This is our teriyaki. It goes right here in the plate. Yum, man. Look at the chart. This is half chicken right here in front of you. Fully cooked. It's smoked out. There's no additional flavors to it. Perfectly done. This is American. 30 minutes. Fully charred, fully cooked. I'll land it right here in our plate. Easy, quick recipe. Perfect, man. This is chili chicken right here. This actually looks more softest.